In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print on Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send your slides from the Google Slides mobile app to a nearby printer with confidence and avoid the common hiccups that slow people down. First, open the Google Slides app on your phone or tablet. A quick tip before you begin. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer. If your printer has already been set up on your device, it will appear automatically later in the print preview. Once the app is open, go ahead and open the presentation you want to print. You can tap it from your recent files, browse through your Drive folders, or use the search bar if it's not immediately visible. Give the file a moment to load fully so the slides render in high quality. That helps the print preview populate quickly and accurately. With your presentation open, look to the top right of the screen for the three-dot menu. It may appear as 3 vertical dots or 3 horizontal dots depending on your device. Tap that menu to reveal more options specific to this file. If you see multiple dots on your screen, use the ones at the very top of the app interface, not any dots attached to an individual slide thumbnail. From the menu that appears, choose Share and Export. This section collects all the ways you can send or output your presentation, and it's where the print option lives on mobile. Now, tap Print. This opens your device's print preview. Here you'll see a thumbnail preview of the pages that will be sent to the printer. At the top, tap the printer selector and choose your printer. If your printer doesn't appear, make sure it's powered on and connected to the same network as your device, then return to the selector to refresh the list. Before you confirm, review the available print options. Depending on your printer and device, you can usually set the number of copies. Choose color or black and white, pick single-sided or double-sided, and select a page range if you don't need every slide. Take a moment to scroll the preview so you can catch any cutoff edges or formatting issues. If something looks off, go back to your presentation to adjust it, then return to print. When everything looks good, tap the print button to send your slides to the printer. Wait a few moments for the job to start and you're done. That's all it takes to print directly from Google Slides on mobile.